so many trees and so many animals, and it's all fresh.
Incredible. Let me come to you, Clifford. You come from the other side. You come from pretty much Central Africa. What has it been like in terms of your experience in as far as the Washington Mandela Fellowship is concerned?
Actually, it has been an awesome experience, one that even went beyond my expectations. And just to tell you a little bit of how I feel, I actually extended my flight to stay in the US for 1 more month. But apparently I want to shift it back to go back because I think I'm armed enough to go and implement some of the projects that have been shaped on here in the United States of America. That's the feeling that I go with. I've had an awesome fellowship at the Presidential Precinct, which has taught me a lot about going beyond just the normal, about leaving history behind. We visited actually the founding fathers' homes. We were able to get history about Madison, Jefferson, Monroe. We were able to know how they came so far with slavery, and how America has gotten over slavery, and how they fought for freedom, and how America is doing everything to leave that behind. And so I've had that in mind, and I'm taking it back to my country for us to leave the past behind and take the youth, network with the youth, build synergies across Cameroon, across Africa, and brand ourselves as a new generation to be able to move beyond our plights as Africans, but to think more like Africans, look for African solutions, and build synergies with the US to be able to move forward from the past.